BCom Part First, Subject Banking and Financial Management, Paper First, Economic Environment in India. Today we will discuss the problems of industrial development in Rajasthan. There are great potential of industrial development exists in Rajasthan. Despite of the aforesaid fact, the state is industrially backward in comparison to other states of the country. In some part of state, the process of industrial development has started, but most parts of the state are still industrially backward. The main reason responsible behind this miserable situation are the problems and the obstacles existed in the acceleration of industrial development. The problems in the way of industrial development of Rajasthan may be described as follows. Number 1. Lack of raw material. The raw material required for the industrial development is not available in the state. The situation is more critical in the case of availability of some specific type of raw material. Iron ore, coal, alloy, chemical, PVC, etc. are not adequately available to industries. Therefore, industries using this type of raw material faces crisis in the increasing of production. Second number problem is lack of infrastructure facility. The state is facing problems of lacking developed industrial land, power resources, water roads, etc. needed for industrial development. The number of regions are quite unimpressive where any industrial catalyst agency could develop industrial scene. There are number of problems in the way of industrial development of the state, mainly concerned with the conversion of agricultural land into industrial one, installation of new power lines, inadequacy of water and power resources. The state is not linked with broad gauge line with most of important places of the country. Third problem is financial constraints. There are certain financial constraints which restricts easy functioning of industrial sector. The financial institution and commercial banks have not shown any keen interest to encourage establishment of new industrial units. Several other units are unable to arrange share capital. In case of small scale industries, it could not be possible for them to arrange even margin money. The percentage share of Rajasthan in the total central government investment for industrial development has also been very low. Next problem is regional imbalances. From the point of view of social, economic and historical reason, balanced industrial development could not take place on the industrial map of the state. Some areas have given more attention, whereas others have been grossly neglected while planning for industrial development of the state. It has encouraged the problem of regional imbalances. Next problem is transportation problem. A well-developed network of transport and communication is crucial to rapid industrial growth. Rajasthan is different in road mileage, the road policy of the state government has given emphasis to rural roads for linking villages. Most of leading industrial centers are not linked with quick and efficient transportation system. Next problem is backwardness of agriculture. The prospectus of the agriculture in the state depends largely on timely occurrence of the rains. The behavior of monsoon in Rajasthan is usually erratic and uncertain. All these factors place the state in the position of agriculturally backward state. Because of backwardness of agriculture, agro-based industries always faces crisis in getting raw material. The next problem of Rajasthan industrial development is famine and droughts. Amongst all the states in the country, Rajasthan with a meager water resources and previous dependence on scant low and uncertain rainfall is most vulnerable to drought condition. The specter of famine due to failure of rainfall constantly looms large over the state. Therefore, a large part of scarce financial resources are utilized for face the situation of famines and droughts. Another problem is also there, problem of marketing. The state also lacking large size market and well development mandis. The state itself has not any marketing region. The state is also far from any part as well as developed industrial centers, that is Kolkata, Bombay, Kanpur, Chennai, etc. Therefore, it is a big problem for the state to bring raw material and transportation of finished goods. The procedural problem in the way of industrial development are not less critical. An entrepreneur has to visit so many points for getting registration, permission letter, no-dues certificates, water, electricity connection, etc. The procedural system in this regard is not only expensive but also time consuming.